Hi guys, welcome back.
I'm not saying nothing until you tell me
It's been a while, and we just been like, Ray's been here for a good amount of time. He's been home, and we haven't posted a video in like 2 weeks, probably almost 2 weeks, maybe going on 3. I don't know. It's been a really long time, so we've been doing really bad in that aspect.
I ain't gonna call no names, but
Ray. Ray, I don't have to do no
just
I'm
my
a
fault.
gangster.
Whatever.
Anyways, Ray was playing his 8 packs of Legends or whatever. I was just on my phone on Instagram, and he was complaining about us not doing a video, and we haven't really gone like a little date. So I'm surprising Ray. You don't have to give me that.
I see. I'm over here playing my damn game, and she's gonna tell me to stop playing my game.
But
Put on some clothes. And she not telling me where we going.
He should want to just spend time with me.
We are spending time. We in the same room.
No, that's not spending time. You know it because you be complaining all the time to me about it. So I'm just doing a little surprise, and I think it'd be nice.
She don't like surprises. And
that's just too bad. But see y'all later. You mad? You mad? You mad? You mad?
Before you get your ass whooped.
All right, John. Let's go.
Where we going, baby?
We're going to our destination. You sad? What's wrong?
Come here, play my game. You tell me to stop playing my game. I mean what's wrong. You not tell me from here, go.
Right, make a left. We're going on a picnic.
In the backyard?
Yes.
See, so I had to put this on, baby.
Cause you look cute.
Chica, this is my best fit.
No, it's not. But you do look cute.
Chica, you wasted my best fit.
No, I didn't. Hold the camera and I'll get the stuff settled.
Why is Sugar crazy, son?
I love you.
This is our friggin' backyard.
You didn't have to go far.
Sugar, the sheet that's up on the bed.
You don't use this one. This one.
Yo.
Step on one side.
Out here kind of chilly, baby.
It is? That's good because you could just run upstairs and get a sweater, right?
Yo. So why you make me bring my wallet?
Oh, because then that would ruin the surprise. Duh. You ready? Our date? You don't like it?
Yeah.
Get a date with your woman.
Free of charge.
Free of charge. What you want to listen to, my husband?
Mommy?
Yeah. Oh.
Ah. Alright guys, I'm on a date. I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous, baby. Alright. You want food at least?
Yeah, man.
Oh God. You got music? With certain. I'm a beautiful baby. Smile, please look at my beautiful baby. Oh, did I mess up the little picnic?
Yeah, man.
I want to be gone
Where?
from around everybody.
Like the state?
Yeah, just me and Sugar Bun. I want to be out. I can't explain it, baby. I just want to be gone. Don't want to be around no family, no friends, none of that. I want to hit I don't want nobody ringing my phone, nobody texting my phone, nothing. I just want to be going and embark on like a whole new adventure. Start life. Cause I feel like I'm here living where I'm living now.
I still want to talk to family.
I mean, yeah, you, that's fine. I'm talking about for me. I feel like I'm not living life how I want to live life, you know? I don't want to talk to no family and no damn friends. I don't know. I'm gonna be out here.
Raven has baby fever.
Y'all
He
see what
wants
I'm
us to
talking about.
me, him, and
my little youngin'.
Yeah. That ain't happening though for a few more years.
I'm telling you, Shugga, anything can happen, yo. So let's just get it out of the way from now. Like, anything can happen.
Listen to his logic. No, tell him your logic on why you want a kid now.
No, what you mean, baby? It's a lot of things behind it.
Not really. It's like 1 or 2 reasons. Tell him.
First of all, one reason is I'm watching Game of Thrones and the guy got his balls cut off, so now he can't have no kids. I'm like, what if that happens to me?
What that
You know,
happen?
I'm walking on the street one day. You know, somebody throw something and it hit my balls and my balls fall off or something. Anything can happen, and then I won't be able to have kids. So if I can do it now, I want to do it now. I want to get a baby right now. And I want to get a nice little daughter to take care of me. You know, if you want to buy me a truck, don't tell her no.
He saw some girl buy her dad a truck on YouTube. She's like a famous YouTuber, and that's been like caught in his head. That's not a good enough reason to want to have a child, like at all. I don't think he understands that, but that's whatever.
I know they say life don't go as you plan.
At all.
But if life goes as I plan, we're gonna live a really busy life. And I'm trying to think, like, where will we fit, like, the time to do all those stuff later on in the future? Where will I fit the time to have a child? And
you don't think having a child right now, that would slow everything down?
That's a good point. That's true.
Oh, you still chewing?
I seen the other day she want to go to a zoo. And I promised her last year, summer, I told her I'm going to bring her to all these places. I still haven't done any of that. I think I feel.
I'm patient. I know when the time is right, the time is right. You can't make certain things align just because you want certain things to line themselves together. That's just not how the world works. So even if I don't get to go this summer either, that's fine with me.
That's not fine with me.
That's fine with me. It happened when it's happened. You kind of just come to peace with that, I think. Things just happen when they're supposed to happen. Next thing you know, we rush in and then something happens that day.
That's true.
Or we weren't meant to be there that day, or we weren't supposed to get on the train that day, we weren't supposed to get on the bus that day, we weren't supposed to be walking down the street that day, and now something really happens. I just wanted to do this because, one, the weather is really beautiful. If you're inside today, you should go outside for a little bit. And 2, we haven't really done anything together, like a date-ish wise. I wanted to do that. Just good we spend time together.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
How did you even do
Shugga,
that?
you need a cowboy hat. Whoa.
How do people do that?
Alright, cowgirl.
It feels so weird. It feels like you doing that. I don't know. My horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride. My horse.
Whoa. Hey, can you do a handstand?
No, I cannot. Could you?
No.
You should be able to.
I can't though. It's weird, right? Baby, go try.
No, I'm really not going to do that. Yeah, I don't want to hurt myself.
How you gonna hit yourself? A handstand?
I can't do a headstand.
Are you gonna hold my legs?
Yeah.
Get here.
No, I don't.
How do you start? You gotta catch them up and get them up. Jenny!
What? What's wrong with you? Hey, get up! Shugga! Get your ass up!
Don't be walking! Catch me though! Catch me though! You only catching one leg. What the hell, son? That's one leg. How you holding one leg? I'm in there. What you mean? Yo, Shugga suck at this. Cause my whole leg hurt, man. I fell on my foot, and she gonna tell me that it's my fault that my legs weren't holding up straight.
Yo.
Shugga, you weren't holding me.
We're gonna need some bloopers at the end because you're lying.
Shugga was not holding me. Because as soon as I go up, I'm falling back. I feel like my legs are falling down because Shugga is not holding my leg up.
You're lying. Why are you sulking like a baby?
I don't want to hear it from you.
Baby. It's gonna feel real good. It's gonna make a difference. Make it right. Now turn off the color on my red car. It's blowing like mine. Get the kids in the street. Not enough to eat. Who am I to be blind, pretending not to see their needs? Disregard a battle time and a once man. Oh, we trial each other on the winds, you know, 'cause they got no place to go and what you to know. Ray, turn off the camera. If his ways. Yo, Ray's bike got stolen.
Yeah, somebody stole my whole bicycle, yo.
Ray woke up at like 6 o'clock.
Baby, I woke up at 5:30.
He woke up at 5:30, got already, woke me up out of my sleep by accident. Only for me to turn around and see him again, thinking he came back. He's like, his bike got stolen.
I woke up at 5:30 to go to the gym. Got dressed, put on my clothes, go outside, got my music in my eardrums, I'm pumped. Because I'm ready for this ride to the gym. Go outside, there's no bicycle. And I couldn't believe that. I closed my eyes a couple times and opened it back and my bicycle still wasn't there. Because I'm tired of the hood. I'm telling you that I want to move and y'all don't understand what I be talking about.
Threw it out.
Baby, that was a brand new bicycle. Remember I only ride it a couple times. Because after I bought it, I got the job.
So who would have stole you? Who would have stolen?
Somebody stole my bicycle.
In the backyard?
In the back, someone came in our backyard and stole my damn bicycle. That shit don't make no sense. I spent 100 and change for that bicycle. Because I remember I was sitting home and I wanted to go to the gym and my other bicycle wasn't working. So I had to go and buy a whole bicycle, son. And I bought my shit and niggas stole it. You deaf? Nah. Tired of the hood, Shugga. Shugga got me living in the hood, man.
I used to live in Uniondale. The nice part of Uniondale.
Bum ass Oniondale.
That's what you call it?
Yeah, bum ass Oniondale, baby.
We just call Roosevelt dirty. There's no sense to me. I'm playing. Don't kill me. Don't kill me. He just really called.
Nah, that's crazy because now she living in Roosevelt. It's almost a year. It's about to be a year soon.
My friend Kayla, her mom and dad lives like 2 blocks away from me, but she lives in Uniondale with her grandma. And like if she ever like drops, if she's ever in the car when my friends drop me off or something, she's just like, we gotta get out of here. This air is so dirty. It's burning my nose. We gotta hurry.
Tell her y'all acting like Uniondale not bum ass Uniondale. Acting like Uniondale not bummy too. Out of here. I used to live in Uniondale.
Was it the nice part?
Sugar, listen to me. Yo, you kidding? Like, I won't whoop your ass out here.
No, me and Ray had a conversation because he always calls me a rich girl whenever like we talk about certain things.
Cause Sugar is a rich girl.
What was that thing you said that I forgot you were rich? What did you say?
I don't remember. What you talking about?
We were walking and you were just like, I forgot you're a rich girl.
Sugar, I do not know what you're talking about. I always think you're a rich girl. Cause you are a rich girl.
I don't think so.
If you got a living room and a TV room.
Oh, it was that! You didn't understand the concept of it.
Hey, what's the point of you having a living room and a TV room?
Guys, growing up, I had a lot of siblings. And then the living room was like the nice area. And then the TV room was like the kids' room. Like, you know, watch TV, play games, make a mess if you want to. The living room was really nice. It had mad glass and figurines. It had a china. There's a chandelier on the top. So if you make any movements down below, it shakes. So we wasn't really allowed in the living room. We were allowed in the TV room.
So that's the point of having a living room then? Why not just have a TV room?
And
I ain't have no whole glass.
My mom likes
room for no
nice
glass
stuff, so she wanted that to be like the nice place.
Growing up, how I was raised, you would be lucky to have a room. Period. A room.
I shared my
where
room.
You know?
I shared my room.
Well, you could have used that TV room to be your own room.
I still would have shared.
So waste of a room. If you got a TV room and a living room, you're welcome.
Yo, that can't be the only thing.
What were you saying? Exactly. I want to fly a plane.
I want to fly to Singapore. Go on a trip.
Yo, when are we going on
that should be our
out
first,
of the country?
That gotta be our first international trip. But you want to go back to
Are you
Jamaica?
Serious? No.
I know. I know he don't want to go back.
So you want to go to Singapore first?
Where would you want to go?
I mean, I don't have
Aruba.
anything in mind.
I know you said
Singapore.
Aruba the other day.
Singapore should lead to something else. Another idea. But Singapore sounds cool. Alright guys, I'm going to Singapore. Huh.
I just want to see the garden.
So you just want to go there, see the garden and turn back?
No, you can do other things, but that would be the main
Is there
thing of the
beaches?
trip.
Is there beaches in Singapore?
I don't think so. I don't think so.
Is it
I don't
just
really even know where Singapore is on the map.
It's a city. Is it just a city or is it the whole country? Is it a city called Singapore?
Singapore
As a
is
country?
country.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't know nothing about this stuff. I'm learning. But I'm looking forward to that though.
Bali.
Oh.
I don't know if I really want to go to Bali.
Too many people go to Bali.
Yeah.
I always see a lot of YouTube videos of people in Bali.
I wonder if it's because it's cheap or they have like those really nice little hotels.
I want to go to one of those Asian countries.
Singapore's an Asian country.
Like either one of the Koreas or
Not North Korea. Why are you saying one of the Koreas? Like our
Japan.
options are open.
you know.
I would go to Japan. I heard Tokyo is nice.
Really advanced, I heard. And look,
Tokyo?
a lot of lights in the cities.
Sure.
Alright guys, if you guys like this video, smash the like button. Remember we're trying to get to 100 likes for this video. If you guys get to 100 likes, we'll probably do something, make a fun video or something like that. So if you guys like the video, smash the like button and definitely subscribe. And definitely subscribe.
You're like really ashy.
And definitely subscribe because
Like a dragon.
alright guys. Because I'm gonna whoop Sugar's ass.